Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 86 by Nike in the Lost Sketch colorway. It comes in the OG Air Max 1 86 black box with red scratch details. No extra accessories are included with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Inspired by Tinker Hatfield's notebook of early drawings of the Air Max 1 86, this time with a worn aesthetic on the painted leather overlays and that aged yellowed midsole. Diffused blue safari print wraps around its upper, plus this handwritten style printed Air right above the large Air window. This is yet another lost and found or reimagined style sneaker. The mix of light smoke grey and diffused blue works really well with the indigo hits. I love the big bubble Air Max 1, it's my shoe of 2023, and this is a fun colorway. My only wish is that they kept the OG layered styled mesh seen on the sports red pair rather than the classic flat mesh seen on this toe box. Style wise, I stay true to size, and as usual purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment sketch to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.